it's me, Sissy, back today with a Dollar Tree haul. I've got a few Christmas things, some Thanksgiving items, and some home decor. But before we get started with the video, I want to give a shout out to my friends at Dossier Perfumes. They sent me this box of perfume, and oh my goodness, it smells so good. It is called Floral Rose by Dossier, and they send you a little sample bottle to go with it so you can try out the sample, and if you don't like it, you can send the perfume back and exchange it for another scent till you find one that you like. But they do really great designer quality perfumes, no markups, no fancy bottles, but I do love a beautiful perfume bottle. But this smells so good. Usually when I get Dossier perfume, I'll keep the little sample and then I'll do a giveaway. But y'all, I like this so much, I'm going to keep it. It's called Floral Rose and it smells so good. But anyway, check them out. They have some really great perfume at a really great price. So I'll put a link to their website in the description box below. But anyway, let's get to our Dollar Tree haul. Okay, the first thing we have is nothing fancy, but it's just a little 2-pack of lasagna pans. I love to pick these up for Thanksgiving. I hate to eat big Thanksgiving dinner and then have all those dishes to wash. So I do it in these, and if I need to send leftovers home, they can just take the pan and I don't have to worry about it. But that's a great value too for $1. And then along the lines with Thanksgiving, I picked up this really nice tray with little floral design, sunflower in the middle and the leaves around the edge, and I happened to find some paper plates that match them. So we're going to eat off these paper plates, and I'm going to put the turkey on here. So we got those, and then some more like dessert or salad plates depending on what you're serving. And to go along with my little design theme there, I picked up these little paper bowls. This is 2 paper bowls. This is great for rolls or anything that's not heavy. So I picked those up. And if you're having a party, chips, that'd be great for chips. And I think I got, did I not get the napkins? I must not have gotten the napkins. I'll put that on my list to pick up some napkins. So I've just about got all my tableware for Thanksgiving covered for $4. So that was great. And I picked up the little decor piece, the pumpkin. That's cute. My sister loves pumpkins, so I'm going to kind of do a little DIY on this and kind of bling it up and make it fancy for her. And then my last haul, I had the LA Colors Plumping Lip Gloss. And I got 2 colors. I can't remember what they were now. I have one of them on, and I don't know if they're plumping or not. I feel a slight tingle when I put them on, but they're really nice lip gloss, so it's well worth the $1. But I got the colors Call Me and Careless, a kind of a pink and a burgundy looking color. So I picked those up. Then I got 2 little cute decor items. My sister actually picked these up for me at Dollar Tree on a trip she made without me. How dare she go without me? But I think I was working, so she went without me. But it's this cute little white bisque. I'm not quite sure what that is. It feels kind of ceramic, but we were debating, is this a lamb? Is this a dog? Is it a llama? Whatever it is, it's really cute. So I might use it just as is. Or I have all my paint pouring stuff, and y'all know I love to pour paint on something, so I might pour some paint on that one. And then this cute little white chicken rooster, I don't know, but it's really cute. I'm going to put this in my kitchen. So pick those up. It was really cute. And let's see, yeah, I got a couple more decor pieces. These really cute Christmas Good Tidings of Comfort and Joy with a little beaded handle. Now, I picked up 2 of them because I'm going to change these. I'm actually going to treat this wood here and sublimate on it and do it in my Christmas colors. I like the brighter, cheerier, more neutral, like the blues and like Dr. Seuss colors for my Christmas. So I'm going to redo these, and I will show a video. A lot of you were interested in the sublimation, so I'm going to show you how I do that, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to sublimate a Christmas design on this wood. So y'all stay tuned for that. It's coming up. And then I picked up 100 safety pins. You always need a safety pin, so 100 for $1. That's great. And another little, this is a dry erase board easel. These would be great if you're having a party or a buffet. You can, you know, write whatever it is, or if it contains nuts or whatever, and put it on your buffet, and people can know what you're serving. And this, we were just talking about Christmas and my colors. I happened to find these little trees, and I was so excited because these are sort of my Christmas colors. The lovely little pink and white ombre, and then the kind of neon green, and the blue and white. I just thought these were adorable, so I picked those up. Hopefully I can find some more. This was all they had today in my Dollar Tree. I know they're all having issues with shipping, so when I see something, I pick it up. And then I picked up these two little cobblestone corner winter village trees. I thought maybe I'm going to see if I can paint this down here and get the color, or tint it or somehow or another. I haven't quite figured out yet to make it match my colors, but those were really cute. And let's see. Oh, this is some more Christmas stuff. I may do a wreath. I'm not sure yet. But I picked up this glitter table runner. This is great if you have a solid color tablecloth. You can just put this little runner on it. It's 6 inches by 48 inches. But I was going to try to use it on a wreath and see how that'll work out. Oh, in the background you can hear my munchie. She's under the bed barking at the other dogs, or with her little baby bark. It's so cute. I don't know if you can hear her or not, but yeah, that's her barking. Okay, and then I picked up this crafter square. They're just calling it ribbon, but it is 6 inches by 3 yards. This is going to be for a wreath also. So I picked up several rolls of that. Whoops, avalanche. Everything's rolling off my table, y'all. Hold on. And then I picked up this cute little sequin plush stocking. And the thing about it is you can change the sequins, and it goes to silver. And the good thing about this is these sequins are polyester based. Whatever they're made out of is polyester based. So I can sublimate on that. So I'm going to put that in my, I'm going to print out a design and put it on here, and we'll see how that looks. But I'm getting a couple of things up together so I can do a video and show you all the different things you can sublimate on. So I got that. Then I picked up the Crafter Square glass beads. That's 1.1 ounce. And I'm going to kind of use these on that little pumpkin I showed you a while ago. So y'all stay tuned and see what I do to that. And then I picked up these really cute, it's a felt garland. It's 6 pieces of a snowman. What I'm going to do is snip these apart and use these for my gift tags on my packages or package decorations. I thought they were really cute, and I didn't need a garland, but I thought they would be adorable on my packages. And then I did the same thing with the Santa garland. And then the last thing I picked up was a little doggy brush, but this is not for a doggy brush. I'm not going to brush my dogs with it. I have some kind of fuzzy throws that I put on the furniture because I do have dogs, and when I wash them they kind of peel up a little bit. This pulls the peels right off and they look brand new. So anyway, that's a multi-purpose tool right there. So anyway, y'all, that's my Dollar Tree haul. It's good to be back, and some of y'all were noticing in my last video I did get a new tattoo. It is a lily and the word always, and that's for my mama and my sister. So, but my sister got the same tattoo, except for it has a rose right here instead of a lily. And this kind of looks like our mother's handwriting. And a little secret side thing, that's my favorite quote from Harry Potter. Those of you who are Potter fans know what that means. But anyway, y'all have a great day. I'll see you next time. Hopefully I'll have some craft videos up real soon. And remember, Sissy can do it. Y'all can do it too. Bye now.